You're trying to hide those tears in your eyes. I cannot reach the pain you feel inside, 'cause you always say that you're fine. You lift me up, you bring me down again. You carry the stones you found on your way, and they are too heavy, your wings will surely break. I fly like an angel, weightless and free, because you lift me up, you bring me down again. You make me feel like I'm falling. You lift me up, you bring me down again. You pull me closer, you push me away. You ask me to go and then ask me to stay. Just throw off your fear, open up again. Oh yeah, because you lift me up, you bring me down again. You make me feel like I'm falling. You lift me up, you bring me down again. You lift me up, yeah. I'm so insecure. Hell, I'm so scared. So fucking scared. Yeah. You lift me up, you bring me down again. You make me feel like I'm falling. You lift me up, you bring me down again. And don't you make me feel I'm falling. Yeah. You lift me up, don't you bring me down again. I'm down again. And don't you make me feel like I'm falling. Well, oh, hey, down again. Dankjewel. Next. You're always sorry, you're always right. You're never to blame, you never started the fight. You just ain't lucky, but you're honest, perhaps that's why. I'm not afraid, baby, it's okay. It's alright, it's alright. Whatever you do makes me wonder why. Whatever it is, it always makes makes me cry. No, my friends don't see what I see, what I feel. What makes you real? So you be my crazy, be my stupid, you be my freak, you be my loser, be my silly looking geek. My car broke down, I missed the bus, I lost track of time, my little pain in the butt. I love you, so don't be afraid. It's just Jesus running